Mao.
Zhang, my dear. What are you doing here? Go away.
I am worried about you. You have been sitting here all day, even without eating a bite.
That's not the problem, Zhang.
It's because of work, right? I just want my Mao back.
You don't understand. I am not just working, I am leading a country. I thought that after doing the revolution everything would be easy. But developing a country is way harder than what I thought. China is free from Kuomintang's oppression, our lands are plentiful and fertile. Yet we lack food. The people are unable to stay on track with the Great Leap Forward and they are forced to starve. But just like in the Long March, only the most devout and strongest will survive and manage to make China strong.
But in the Long March we had a clear enemy. There must be someone or something to blame here.
You are right. But who?
Let's look at this objectively. Farming is a risky field which is dependent on many surrounding factors, such as temperature, weather and soil quality. If the soil is not laid to rest properly it can miss the proper nutrients to successfully grow crops. So by simply demanding more crops you will damage the soil again.
Sparrows.
What?
Those motherfucking birds destroying my crops, I will kill them all.
But what?
Shut up! This is an excellent idea.
So let me get this straight, Mao. You have killed all your sparrows.
Yeah, crush Seth.
Because you thought they were ruining your crops.
Yep.
And you ended up fucking up your ecosystem, causing an overpopulation of insects, which killed your crops.
Look man, we have been through this like 3 times. Can we like?
And now you want us to give you sparrows so you can represent your damn ecosystem.
Yeah, pretty much.